So imagine you have to send membership renewal reminders to 5 clients on WhatsApp. That's very easy. You will take 5 to 10 minutes and send it to all the clients. Now imagine you have to send it to 10 clients at once. That's also okay. You can take 20-25 minutes to send it to the 10 clients. But now imagine you have to send it to 50 clients, then hundreds, and then thousands. Now over here, this task is going to get chaotic, right? Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk membership renewal reminders without any manual intervention. You just have to set this once and you can just sit back and relax and send hundreds and thousands of bulk WhatsApp messages without getting blocked and without any much more effort. So let's get started. What you have to do is just open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So what is this Pabbly Chatflow? For that you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, which is going to help you run your entire business on WhatsApp. You can automate marketing, sales, and customer support. You can send offers, updates on WhatsApp, manage sales, support customers, build chatbots, and also AI chatbots, all from your WhatsApp number. And the main important part is we are official Meta tech provider, so you have a very less chance of your number getting blocked. So let's see how we can use Pabbly Chatflow and send bulk membership renewal reminders. And always a tip that right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, so you can click on the sign up for free and avail the free trial. And then if you like Pabbly Chatflow, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using a very amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. It is attached right over here. It is going to give you the heaviest amount of discount, or you can see the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now let's see how we can send this bulk membership renewal reminders. For that, just open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to log in and open the dashboard and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. I have already added my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, and if you haven't added till now, you're going to find the video on your screen when you're going to open the dashboard. Apart from that, if you really want the video, it is also attached in the description box below if you can't find it in your screen or on your screen. Okay, now what you have to do is from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section and click on this add broadcast button. Okay, now after you click on this add broadcast button, you have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, I am just going to keep it as membership renewal reminder. And now let's move on further, and I'm just going to select the contact list to whom I want to send this reminder. So I've already created a contact list whose membership is going to expire on 31st of July 2026, and I want to send it to them only, so I'm just going to select the same list. If you also want to know how to create this list, then from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section, and from here you can create the list and add the contacts too. Okay, if you want to learn more about this, the video of contact section in detail is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Otherwise, you can just comment contacts and I'll share you the video personally. Apart from that, as you can see that I've selected the contact list right over here. You can select all the contact lists too, or you can select some multiple contact lists according to your own choice. I'm just going to select only one. Now it is saying refine audience. You can exclude the contact list too right over here. You can also exclude some specific contacts, and you can also exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. But this is a very important message and it's a reminder, so I'm just going to switch off this button right now. If you want, you can switch it on too. The next is this pre-approved template message or a regular message. So first, let me show you what is a pre-approved template message. So from the left hand of the side, go on this template and then template list. Over here, you can create a template in order to send the reminders. For that, just click on this add template button, create the template, and then wait till Meta approves your template. Once Meta approves your template, you can simply move on further and select the same template right over here like this. Okay, if you don't want to go for the template, you can go on this regular message and select the message type and enter the message directly also. I'm just going to use this feature only, so I'm just going to directly enter this message right over here. So let me just enter the message. In this message, if you want to do some formatting, you can do it directly from here. What you can do is you can add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold. Apart from that, what you can do is you can also do much more formatting right over here. As you can see, I want to bold some text. I'm just going to simply add these stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. Then I am just going to move on further. It is in contact name and mobile number. So before sending this to multiple clients and customers, I'm just going to test it once and send it on my WhatsApp number first. So for that, I'm just going to enter this mobile number to test the message and click on this send test message. It is saying test broadcast sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp. I've received this message and it looks perfect. I can send it to all my clients. So let's just move on further. In order to send it to all the clients, you have two options: schedule the broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send it instantly, click on this no send instantly and then add button. If you want to schedule it for later, go on this yes schedule for later, go on this calendar, choose the date and time. I'm just going to schedule it for 29th of July 5 p.m. and select it. Now it is saying automatically retry for failed contacts. So let's say this broadcast is going to run at this specific date and time. And now imagine that there are some failed contacts, like you selected hundreds of contacts and 92 contacts are the ones who have received the message. But let's say like 6 to 7 people have not, and the message somehow got failed. So you can automatically retry for them. You can just switch on this. You can select the number of retries. You can wait between the retries to right over here. So if you want, you can just switch it on and do this. I'm just going to switch it off and click on this add button. And over here it is saying again. So I'm just going to again click on this add broadcast. And I'm going to say yes, my broadcast is scheduled for 29th of July 2026 5 p.m. Now once this broadcast is sent, I can go and check it out in sent section and view the stats for the same. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. So like this, we have learned how to send bulk membership renewal reminders. Go and try it yourself, because right now you can send 100 WhatsApp messages for free, because we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. After trying, if you like Pabbly Chatflow, don't forget RITYT is going to give you the highest amount of discount. See you in the next video. If you have any queries, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.